Whoa, now we finna do a little unboxing, even though I kind of already unboxed it. Yeah, we finna look at this Bartesian right here. Here's my little setup right here. I guess you can call it like a little mini bar. You know what I'm saying? I got it set up on a little tray I seen off Amazon to put your little pods in. We'll talk about that later. You know what I'm saying? I got my little glass, my little shaker, my 5 canisters. Only 4 can go in there, but it got this one right here, share gin and rum. And you got your vodka, your whiskey, your tequila. So I got my Amsterdam Bacardi. I ain't even gonna try that because I'm not a tequila person. With the Hornitos, we're gonna go with that. Got my Jim Beam and my effing vodka. Now, usually, if I had to choose a vodka, I would have went with Absolute or Ciroc. But like you see on some of these right there, say best made with effing. Then you got this one say best made with Jim Beam. So that's why I got Jim Beam. I kind of like Jim Beam too though. But I got my canisters. I took them out the dishwasher. They clean. So I'm finna fill them up. We already filled the back up with water. You gotta fill the back up with some water. We gonna do a test run, make a drink, see how it come out. I'll be back. And we back. We back. Where the money reside? Anyway. Alright, each one of these canisters got their own label on it. Whiskey, vodka, rum, gin, and tequila. Now, I didn't know how big these canisters were. Each bottle was $7.50 except the Jim Beam. So that's how much it filled it up. And then with the liter, I still had a little bit left. So that give you an idea how big the canisters are, how much liquor it holds. Alright, this what it look like with the alcohol set up in there. I got gin in there because the drink I'm gonna make calls for gin. Got vodka. Got your whiskey and your tequila back there. Now this right here is my rum. So whenever I need to use rum, I just switch out this back canister back here. So you got your water in the back. They say do not use tap water. Use filtered water. So that's what I did. I'm gonna put a cup up under here. Then we gonna go to settings. Alright, we're gonna go to first use. First use. Golly. There you go. Alright. So it says ensure the water reservoir has water. It does. So I'm gonna press this W. So I'm guessing it's running water through the lines to clean the lines out. Yeah. So got some water there. Look at this little mat right here. Now this is a nice little mat right here for your little spillage. Alright, and then went back to this screen. Insert the capsule, close the lid. So that's what we finna do. Alright, we finna make a drink now. So I already put me a capsule in there. Long Island. Got a barcode right there. And that barcode really gonna read the barcode and tell it what alcohol to put in there. So we're gonna close the lid up. Place a highball glass with ice under the dispenser. Hit next. Has rum been installed? I switched it out. I was wrong. So there go my gin. Put the rum in there. So yes, it has. We're gonna hit next. Then it's gonna ask you if you want a mocktail. You want it light, regular, or strong? I'm gonna do regular, just so I can see what it tastes like. Pulling my gin, my rum, the vodka. I could use a small cup. Cheers. Open the lid, remove capsule. Ooh, it smells like a Long Island too. Now we finna test this thing out, boy. Ooh. Boy, that thing strong. Boy, that is not regular. God dog. You taste all the liquor, boy. But I like that. That's some strong tequila in there, boy. That's stronger than any Long Island I had at a restaurant. And I usually get that at a restaurant. Boy, that get you toe up. I can't imagine what a strong say like. That right there was strong right there. But taste like a Long Island.